In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move files from Google Drive to OneDrive. Fix Today here, let's begin. Are you moving from Google Drive to Microsoft OneDrive and wondering how to transfer your files? Whether you're switching cloud storage services or simply backing up your data, there are two easy ways to move files from Google Drive to OneDrive. Let's start with the first method, the manual download and upload method. This method is best if you're only transferring a small number of files or folders. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. Sign into your Google account if you haven't already. Locate the files or folders you want to transfer. Select them, then right-click and choose Download. Google Drive will prepare the files and download them to your computer, usually as a zip file. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder, locate the zip file, and extract its contents. On Windows, right-click the zip file and select Extract All. On Mac, simply double-click the zip file. After extracting the files, open a new browser tab and go to OneDrive.live.com. Sign into your Microsoft account. Navigate to the folder where you'd like to store the transferred files. Now simply drag and drop the extracted files or folders into the OneDrive browser window. Alternatively, click Upload and choose either File Upload or Folder Upload. Select your files and wait for the upload to finish. Once the upload completes, your files will be available in OneDrive. Now let's look at the second method, the direct cloud import method. This method is ideal for transferring large amounts of data because everything happens directly between Google Drive and OneDrive without downloading files to your computer. First, go to OneDrive.live.com and sign in. Click the settings icon in the upper right corner. Then select Settings in the left-hand menu. Click Import Cloud Photos and Files. Under the Import Cloud Files section, click Connect to Google Drive. A secure sign-in window will appear. Log into your Google account and grant Microsoft permission to access your Google Drive files. Once the connection is complete, click Import. The transfer process will begin automatically. Because the transfer happens entirely in the cloud, you can safely close your browser or even turn off your computer while it runs. To check the progress, return to the Import History section on the same page. Once the transfer is complete, you'll find all your migrated files inside a folder called Imports within your OneDrive My Files directory. You now know two easy ways to transfer files from Google Drive to Microsoft OneDrive. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.